This is the universe telling you to concentrate your efforts on what you want and need. Hold on. Hold onto your optimism and trust that things will get better for you eventually. You'll be able to find an answer to anything you need to make your effort successful. You may need to work for someone else during this time until you have acquired all of the necessary knowledge to operate your own business. Keep in mind that if you want to succeed, you must step outside of your comfort zone. As long as you are not offending others, do things that makes you uncomfortable. Do things that make you uncomfortable. Once you have seen the outcomes of a few attempts you never thought would be successful for you, pick the ones that are most practical and works the best for you. Believe in God and the universe to ensure that whatever done to you, in spite of someone's best efforts to prevent you from succeeding, such as a curse, jealousy, or evil thoughts, will come back to haunt them. Have confidence that your difficulties are coming to an end, and they will unquestionably be replaced by successful and worthwhile rewards in the end. Your angels are also advising you to get ready for more fantastic opportunities to travel around the world that will come your way. This is one of the blessings bestowed upon you by the universe. You are fortunate to be able to impart your wisdom, courage, and interpersonal skills to others. A terrific energy has been given to you to brighten the days you encounter. Take advantage of this opportunity to examine more closely at things and understand the deeper meaning behind seemingly supernatural mysteries.